Alright folks, as you can see, we bought a van. Guess what we're going to do with it? We're taking this baby and racing it in the Gambler 500 coming up first weekend of March. So you guys get to see what we do to this thing and, well, just to get a general sense of how crusty it is. Let's get out of here, Anthony. And all right, next item of business, we just did a little speed run up my mom's driveway, and I'm going to borrow her pressure washer, and we're going to take this back home. And as you can see, maybe get some of this cleaned up. And yes, in case anybody just wondered after I said that, we are pressure washing this thing on the inside as well as the outside. So yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, so got the old van backed up here, got the GoPro set up on a tripod, got the old pressure washer out and hooked up. So I'm actually going to clean some of this garbage out. I said in the video yesterday we were going to pressure wash this thing. I'm actually going to pressure wash the inside of this thing out right out of the gate. So first thing I'm going to do. So I guess I better go find a broom. And I probably should also actually do something about this. I need to take this off and open this door. So yeah, be right back. Now look how crunchy this van is inside. I mean, this thing is absolutely and utterly disgusting. Everything about this thing is disgusting. And there goes the door. But anyway, so yeah, I'm about to start throwing a bunch of this stuff out on the ground, fire up the pressure washer, and go to town on the inside of this thing. So here goes nothing. look at that. This right here is basically what the whole van looked like. I would say after it's clean, this thing is almost presentable, but it's really not. It just isn't. And I'm just gonna be honest about it. It really doesn't look any different. I mean, yeah, it's kind of cleaner, but really, I think some of the dirt might have actually been hiding how crusty this thing really is. Like that. All that around there, some of that down there. It's pretty bad. So for all of you guys out there that are gonna be like, oh no, don't destroy this van in the Gambler 500 and blah, blah, blah. Believe me, you could not possibly hurt this thing. It is bad. Really, really, really bad. There's a guy that I go to school with who is going to actually make, like, as in design, some stickers. So maybe we'll get him in on one of these videos, and he'll give us a little insight on how he did that. But as far as modifications, that'll be the biggest thing. I know I said earlier in this video, actually, that you guys would get to see what we were going to do to this thing, but really that's what I meant. The race is only a couple of weeks away, so I don't have time to do any really heavy-duty mechanical modifications to this thing. I'm going to have to work on the brakes and do a few things just to make sure that it's actually, like, good and drivable. So anything beyond that, I don't really have time for at this point. But that's okay. As long as this thing survives this year, then we'll do some things over it over the course of the rest of the year. And when we come back next year, it'll, you know, we will slowly keep modifying this thing as long as it continues to survive. So we'll find out whether it does or not. But for now, that's pretty much all I've got, and I'll see you guys in the next one.